So there's this new thing going around at the moment. It's an image editing tool, and it's got a bit of a funky name. It's called Nano-Banana, um, and apparently it's meant to be made by Google, or it's their secret image editing tool, but that's unconfirmed, and it's been a bit of a craze on X at the moment. So you can see here, it's meant to be exceptional at adding things to video, adding products to images, or recreating images. So we got MJ and Billie Eilish there, and so yeah, Nano-Banana, changing the photo, looking straight ahead, things like that. So I'm going to quickly show you how you can actually access this Nano-Banana. So the only way you can access it right now is you go to something called LM Arena, and you need to have battle mode activated. Unfortunately, right now you can't directly talk to Nano-Banana. So what you have to do is you have to go to generate images, and I'm going to test out the theory of the product. So I'm going to have this photo of my Wayno the koala, and I'm going to add in the 4x gold, and I'm just going to type in make it so they and run that. So what LM Arena does is pretty much it will compare two image models randomly, and then you have to vote for one, and then once you've voted for one, you'll be able to see what the image model actually was. And eventually, hidden in these models that it chooses is Nano-Banana. So hopefully you get lucky and you'll see that. So obviously this one on the right's quite bad, so I doubt that would be it. This one's quite good actually, so you can see that the 4x gold left is obviously better. This could be Nano-Banana, also could be something else, we'll have to see. Nano-Banana, there you go, that's a great example. So as you can see there, it's compared Flux One Context Dev with Nano-Banana, and Nano-Banana has done a decent job. Obviously there's a little bit of a stuff up there, but you can see it's put in the 4x gold cans perfectly for Wayno. So yeah, that's pretty good there in regards to that. So yeah, if you don't get it straight away, just keep going with it, and yeah, you'll be able to access Nano-Banana that way. For now, I'm sure in the incoming days it'll probably come out somewhere else other than in the trial mode within LM Arena, but as for now, this is the best way to access it. So go ahead and try and access it, guys, and see what you can make with this pretty cool model, which it looks like it's going to be a bit of a AI Photoshop, which will be lots of fun to create your starting frames for videos. Thanks very much for watching and supporting. Like and subscribe, and I will see you in the next one for more AI vids.